Alright, as you can see, we are back on the grill slash pizza oven. Up front here, we're going to do some chicken wings. We got them seasoned up with Uncle Steve's competition bird shake. Hopefully that is coming into focus. There it is. We are seasoned up today with Uncle Steve's bird shake. All these wings, I bought a bag of wings already cut up. So yeah, we're going to try some smash burgers on this new pizza oven slash grill, park grill, but we're going to give that plate back there another shot at doing something great. Last week's cook with the getting the reverse sear on that steak, it just worked absolutely perfect. So we're going to try it on some smash burgers today. Alright, we are coming along rather well and pretty daggone quick, so just want to bring in for a quick pick and I'll get back on the fire. Alright, our wings are really pretty much done. I'm going to slide them over off of the heat, direct heat, but still on the grate so they get a little bit of indirect heat. We're going to eat. I've been cooking for a couple hours now and I'm ready to eat. I'm Sleeper Barbecue. Till the next one.